Aave is showing a projected increase of 3.8% tomorrow, based on 30 rates. Before we dive in, let's quickly review the current price conditions. As of this moment, Aave has lost 1.2% and is holding near $110.78. Now, let's look at what the analysts expect. According to Gov Capital Collector, the asset may drift down to $108.97 by tomorrow, a decrease of nearly 1.6%. Coin price forecast expects Aave could approach $112, an estimated move higher of 1.1%. Digital coin price notes the price could advance to $114.08, marking an increase close to 3%. Another projection from 30 rates indicates Aave may head toward $115, a gain estimated at 3.8%. Finally, CoinDataFlow sees $117.67 by tomorrow, 6.2% above current value. This is the most profitable forecast among those presented. That's all 5 perspectives. Let's go ahead. Let's now shift from expectations to potential performance. Looking at the forecast side by side, the projected movement in price is between a decrease of 1.6% and an increase of 6.2%, depending on the analyst. That makes CoinDataFlow the leader with 6.2% improvement in value by March 27. To sum it up, you could net between $11 and $62 for every $1,000 you invest. Using recent volatility figures, coin price forecasts points to the top probability at 89.5%. Looking across the 5 forecasts, I've built a consensus outlook for clarity. The consensus forecast points to Aave rising by about 2.5%. Here's the detailed picture. The consensus perspective shows the price advancing by 2.5%. With that change, your capital could likewise see an increase of 2.5%. With the 1,000 base, the move could equal about $25 in potential return. And overall, the likelihood of this consensus projection for Aave is estimated near 80.9%. To get the full picture, let's look at the 3-day predictions from analysts. The near-term direction, noted by Gov Capital Collector, is up. Likewise, coin price forecast sees the price trending higher in the short term. For the near term, meanwhile, digital coin price expects Aave to follow an ascending path. Also, 30 rates suggests the market will keep pressing upward. CoinDataFlow anticipates downward movement in the near term. Bringing together these perspectives, the consensus suggests that Aave may strengthen across the 3-day horizon. Overall, 80% of forecasts highlight a higher path for Aave. 5 forecasts were published 2 days ago. Let's check them against yesterday's price. In the end, the price finished the day at $112.62. 4 out of 5 analysts correctly predicted the move. The smallest error belonged to the forecast of Gov Capital Collector. Let's look at the results more closely. The session's candle included 2 forecasts. As far as ROI is concerned, several analysts stayed in profit, but CoinLore took the lead. Here's the performance view, showing how each forecast did. In the summary, CoinLore shows accuracy 82.6% forecast probability and 2.8% ROI. Take a second and guess which analyst led the pack today. Now let's see how the predicted profitability for tomorrow varies between Aave and other assets. Aave isn't on top this time as PEEP leads with 5.1%. We're focusing here on 5 coins, and the full ranking of many cryptocurrencies by forecasted profitability will also be open soon on my website and Telegram. Big thanks for staying till the end. If this gave you a clearer view, a like would be the perfect feedback. Have a nice one. See you tomorrow.